Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin. Are we going to continue up to $100,000? Are we going to have a pullback short term? I'm going to answer to you all of that. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button because we post one video about crypto trading every single day. Guys, I don't know what to say about Bitcoin apart from the incredible strength that has been showing lately. Shorts, bears, they got totally destroyed, hibernated. I don't even know how to say anymore. Look at the strength over here from $69,000 to $90,000 in a space of 2 weeks. And it looks like it wants to continue to go higher. ETF buyers, retail buyers, anything you can think of. So the question is for today, I want to show you how high we could go to potentially and when we're going to see a pullback. And of course, guys, this week for me has been incredible. It's so funny because I had a loss today, tried to short Bitcoin. It just went completely against me. Impossible right now to apply technical analysis. But on the other hand, guys, my spot trading account has been blowing up. This is a profits $136,000 only for this week. So I guess, really compensated what I lost in my trade today. Unfortunately, totally crazy market, but it is what it is, guys. It's my third loss in the last past 5 months, 98% winning rate, and sometimes you have to take it. But guys, I mean, look at our members as well. Our members, look at the results we're showing over here, guys. Insane, totally insane. Look at that, 213%, like profits after profits after profit, right? If you really want a channel where we're going to be discussing Altseason, altcoin, long terms over here, you can see my calls, our member calls, guys. You need to join the VIP group, the best place to be right now. That's Bitcoin is in discovery mode, but also when Altseason is going to start, we're going to be making lots of money. So if you want to join, guys, link in the description. Anyway, let's go back into Bitcoin. Let's see what is the point of the situation. Somebody told me today that Bitcoin looks weak. We are about to retrace, and I'm looking at this chart, and I couldn't disagree more. I mean, it's not showing any sort of weakness. Right now, you can see that I would say, point that I could be seeing Bitcoin to go today, tomorrow, we could be able to touch this line over here, as I was explaining to you before, which is sitting around $93,000. Maybe tonight we should be able to get it, and then we should be having like a little bit more of a pronounced correction. Bitcoin is actually following, in my opinion, this fractal over here. You can see this fractal, which has started around the 16th of October 2023, has been following around, and right now, like, it looks like it's about to hit a potentially like a resistance. Then is going to have a correction down to here again around the $77,000 to then have a final blow off top to the upside, reaching this point over here, guys. 2017 top of the bull market, 2021, and then 2024 around $115,000. Some people are arguing right now that there is a bearish divergence on the RSI. You can see that from here. I'm going to show you that we have this point over here. We have this point over here, and the price right now. I'm going to just cancel everything so you can see a bit better. You can see the price doing this, and the RSI is doing this. But there is something which is quite remarkable, is the fact that although people are talking about a divergence, right, that's not a true divergence in my opinion, because the RSI is just pointing upwards. Like it could be easily, if you want to, go back up to this area over here. Even if you have a look, for example, on the daily chart, we can see there is no divergence over here. Price just keeps going higher. There we can see, for example, on the 4-hour chart as well. Look at that. The volume is even increasing. So some might argue that we don't have enough strength because the volume is going down. The volume is picking up again, which means that if he wants to, we could keep going up to, I don't know, 93, 94, 95. That's going to be very important. So of course it's going to be a very important catalyst, which could, I guess, put some weakness with Bitcoin lately. It's something which could probably put like some brakes on Bitcoin. Could be on Wednesday, so tomorrow, the consumer price index, which is actually over here, scheduled for 8:30 a.m. And in that case, we're going to see if inflation is actually coming down or is ticking up again. Of course, it's going to tick up again. We're going to have some problems that this rally might, I'm not going to say to fade, but we could see like maybe like a short-term correction, simply because people are going to think that the Fed is not going to cut interest rates and therefore Bitcoin could be correcting. But guys, if you're going to get a low CPI, I'm sorry, but I don't see how this thing is going to stop. And looking at the technicals, right, I'm going to show you right now what we can see from a technical point of view. I mean, you can see like, it's going higher. And I would say the most logical support I can see from here, guys, is going to be around this area, sitting around $80,000. So I would say from a technical point of view, we could be seeing Bitcoin to go and retrace down to this. Maybe it's going to go up to, let's say, 92, 93, retrace down to this area around 80,000, and then go up again, because I told you, like, we are in a very strong uptrend. Like, it's the same when you are in a bear market. When you see the price keep going down, like, you have to be very, very careful. Even in a bull market like this, you have to be particularly careful, because this what could happen. Bitcoin could be going higher as much as you want. Right now, we don't have any break of structure, anything that is telling us that a reversal is about to come. I mean, look at this, and it's not stopping. So again, be very careful right now to enter I would say either a long or a short. The time to get long was a long time ago, so be very careful with that. Something I want to show you as well. Lots of people are complaining right now, oh no, what is Altseason? Altseason is not going to come, and blah, blah, blah. Guys, please don't be silly. Altseason is going to come, and I'm going to show you right now why your altcoins are not pumping. The reason why the altcoins are not pumping, guys, is because Bitcoin dominance is 60%. 60% is super high. It means all the money right now are placed into BTC, like it's supposed to be, because you want to see all the money, first of all, flying into Bitcoin. And then after that, once all the money are going to be flown into Bitcoin, then we're going to have some space for the altcoins. But right now, as you can see, there is a proper bearish divergence on the RSI for the Bitcoin dominance. And once you're going to be able to break this area, we're going to be able to break down to here. Guys, I mean, I want to see the person who's going to tell me again that our season is not going to happen, because I really want to see where all these investors, once this is going to go down, where do you think they're going to put the money into? Into the S&P 500, into bonds? Really, come on, don't be silly. That's not going to happen. You know very, very well that they're going to go into BTC. Let's also have a look, for example, at the total free market cap, about the market cap of BTC and, market cap of altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see that right now, this bull flag, which I highlighted a long time ago, is clearly visible. And if you're going to go from here to here, right, and then position around here, guys, we're going to go back to the 1.1 trillion-dollar market cap at least. At least. I'm not saying like, that we're going to go and stop from here, because I'm expecting, if you're going to have a full-blown alt season, like I'm thinking that is going to happen on a logarithmic scale, you can see that the price from here, looking at the bull flag around this area, we could be easily, if you want to, from here to here, we bring this and we put it here, we could be easily reaching this target over here at $1.9 trillion, which is pretty much almost 3 times what it is right now. So think about what's going to be happening to the altcoins are going to go crazy. Even right now, there's a pickup in volume from here. Everything looks very, very good. I can't really say right now from a technical macro point of view with the Fed cutting interest rates, that's bad. I can't say that. But right now, of course, what I will really urge you to be is to be careful with BTC. Okay, I know that everything sounds like amazing, everybody's pumping like crazy, but it might be coming a point where we will have to de-risk a little bit. I can tell you already, I sold 50% of my entire Bitcoin portfolio, and then I'm probably going to sell another 50%, maybe let's say 40%, when Bitcoin is going to go in between $95,000 to $100,000. Why? Because I could be expecting something like this, maybe pump up to here, a retracement down to here, and then a final blow top. So what I'm planning to do is to maybe sell around here, then rebuy back around this area if I'm going to be allowed to, if it's going to happen. And then, of course, from there, I could be expecting one last push, make more money, and then sell around maybe 120 or how much it's going to go up to. I'm so sorry, guys. I promised you a video of your favorite altcoins analysis, short term, long term. I promise you tomorrow I'm going to do this video and I'm going to select 5 altcoins that I'm going to analyze long term for you. So, of course, I really hope you're going to benefit from there. So stay tuned, subscribe, because I'm going to post this video very, very soon. But otherwise, guys, enjoy the ride, enjoy this amazing time. We have been calling this for such a long time. So now it's time to really sit back, relax, and enjoy your profits. Take care, and I'm going to see you in the next video.